Hi guys, John Fox from Global Magic Shop here with a new review of Majesty. If you're new to the channel guys, it would really mean a lot if you could please like and subscribe. It's pretty difficult just talking to a camera as I do right now. So if you like and subscribe, then I know I've got people that are actually watching it. Let's move on with the review of Majesty by Sebastien Calbry. Check the trailer out right now. So that was the trailer for Majesty. I am going to tell you a little bit about this and I'll give you a little bit of brief background on my knowledge of this sort of effect. I've actually used something similar to this a number of years ago. So this is what you get. Inside you get everything pretty much that's required. You may have to add a couple of cards from a standard pack of bikes. But predominantly you get everything that you need. You get the online video instructions that are taught by Sebastien. Obviously we're in lockdown and I assume that this was actually filmed whilst in lockdown at his house. The quality is great guys, there's nothing wrong with the quality. It's 24 minutes, he goes over everything that you need. I am quite impressed with the effect and what he's done with this. So just a quick bit of background. I first saw this style of effect with Guy Hollingworth from his book Drawing Room Deceptions, called Waving the Aces. He performed his Waving the Aces on World's Greatest Magic and he used his quartet card. This is a great book. It's a great effect. So if you don't have this book, check it out. So I used to perform Guy's Waving the Aces up high. He's got a second version which is down low, but up high because it's great for around the table because people can see. What Sebastien has done is he's actually made it a lot easier. For the method is a lot easier for this. Your angles on this are basically, if you hold it here, then you're good. Like, you're not going to hold it way out here so people can come around you. I think as a working magician, it's going to be great. It's easy to do, so it's good for all kinds really, but the visual on it means that and also you don't have to have, in today's society, you don't need the cards selected. So it makes it good for Zoom, things like that, social media, but is a very, very practical and workable method. In fact, the method, I thought it was something else. When I saw the trailer, I was actually wrong and pleasantly surprised with the method. You're going to get nothing that's going to break or anything. Everything that you need is well made and is on bicycle stock. So you get three effects. I'm kind of rambling on here now, but you get three effects in here. So the main effect is You take out 4 queens, and the backs of the 4 queens are facing the audience, and one at a time, when you shake the cards, 1 queen will turn the opposite direction. So let's say the Queen of Diamonds, you'll shake again, then it'll be the Queen of Spades, shake again, with no cover. You don't have to cover, you can if you want to, but you can just do that and it will change. And then obviously the last Queen of Spades will do the same, so all the way through. Very, very, very visual. The second effect is called the choice, where the spectator can name any queen, and it is a free choice of the queen, and within a shake, that queen will turn visually in the opposite direction, so it'll be facing them. The third one is called the passage, which is actually quite a cool trick. So for argument's sake, the Queen of Spades, all the cards are one way facing me, all the backs facing you. You shake, the Queen of Spades turns face over. And then the Queen of Spades visually moves from one spot to another spot to another spot, all the way through. Pretty cool effect. Favourite is basically like the twisting of the queens as such, where it's all visual and each of the queens turns face over. I think it's really solid. I don't think you're going to have any problems, and as I say, it's very, very easy to do. There's nothing that's going to break. The 24-minute instructional video, spot on. Guys, we don't have many of these left, and for good reason. It's a great working trick. I don't think you're going to be disappointed. This is my honest review. I have used both versions. So I've played with this, and I used to use Hollingworth's Twisting the Aces. The Twisting the Aces is a little bit more labour intensive than this, and I definitely think he's hit the nail on the head here with this effect that is very, very visual. Guys, I'm John Fox. Please like and subscribe the video. Until next time, bye for now and stay safe. Hi guys, just a quick note, just thought I'd share with you, this is our first Australian exclusive X-Hand by Magic Dream. There's going to be a number of exclusives coming now to Global Magic Shop for the Australian magic community, and I'm really proud to share this with you. I'd love you to watch the trailer. Everybody we've shown it to has loved it, they've brought it. It's been a great effect. Guys, X-Hand exclusively at Global Magic Shop. Check the trailer out now. Until next time, bye for now.